Okay, game. Hoy, kay Kylie! No! Ay, sayang Kylie. Envy, fake. Oh! Ah! Good Inside kay Kylie. Oh, ma. Yun, no? Balikan kay Kylie. James. Oy, inside! Wow! All good. Ayos, ayos. No. Go in. And for three, same spot. Pasa lang pala ni Kenny Boy yun. 4-2. Langit. Tiny, no. Hindi mo ni-even. To NB, back to Ken. Uy, good pass. Back to Ken. Ken. Sayang Ken. Stolen ni Langit. Langit lumipad! My goodness! Langit. Langit on the air. Mukhang mas condition kayo ngayon, ha? Ha? 6-4. Envy boy, no! Lakas. Dapat yan ang kinakuha niyong big man. 4, di ba? 6-4. No. No. De Guzman for the rebound. Back to De Guzman. De Guzman inside to Kylie. Gets a foul. Good play by De Guzman. My goodness. No. Yes. 5-6. Oh, boy! Oh, oh. Humi-head fake, ha? And the boy, La Paz! Connects! 8-5. Finding the big guy inside. James Ayers! Umabot ba kayo? Hindi! Parang siko lang kayo ni James. Hanggang siko lang kayo ni James. You know. 6-8. No. Oh. Why? De Guzman. De Guzman inside. Good play. 7-8. Tumatabla lang ang laban. Henry Boy, huli! Tiny ka po! Umu, galing na galit. Ano? Sabihin mo? Umu? Oh, seryoso? Yun o! 10-7. Basta pag umuso na, shoot na yan. James! Oh, pull up! Oy! Oh! 10! 12-7. Grabe si Ken. Nice, Ken. Oh, huli. No. Rebound. Wala. Or 14-7. Last 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Mahaba pa. Tiny. Wala. Kapigan. Pwede Guzman. Oo. 6. In and out. Yes, sir. 16. 7. Stolen ulit. Uy. Uy, 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 uy. Uy. Same on. 16-7. De Guzman on the move. Inside. 2 points. 18-7. $16-9 pala, sorry. No. Second shot. Gets it. 17-9. Hey, Guzman. Oy! Oy! James, open na open. No. Oh, on the move. Oy! Stop. Inside. Gets it. 99 sa ball lamang. Habol. Kay Guzman. 1 dribble. Take. No. NB, ano gagawin mo? NB for... Oy! Pasa kay Langit. Yun, no? 29. On dribble shots by Langit. Uy. Check. No. Langit on the move. Langit ang tulit. James on the move. James ang haba. No. Uy. Our rebound. Pasa, 1 dribble, kay Ken, back to Ben, back to Patrick, no, inside, zero point, Tiny, no, inside, no, sa kanila ulit, 2 points, 11-20, and B-Boy, oy, sayang. Sayang ah. Oy! Change score. 13-20. Pito lang. Pito lang ang lamang. James for the rebound. Offensive foul. Yo. Offensive foul. Good ball. Sarap na kayo, diba? Ha? Oo nga eh. Other side ball.
Shooting ulit. Tagal ng pahinga. Hindi talaga. Parang
22-20. 23-30. Nice Kenny boy. De Guzman. Oy! Same ball. Same ball. Last 5 minutes in the game. Foul! Good play. Good look by De Guzman to James to get the free throw shots. No. Just out. You know. Ah! 14-23. Andy. No. Stole. Okay. James. Back to Tiny. Tiny. Finding the glass. Same ball. Same ball. Other side ball. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds in the game. 23-14. No? James, ano gagawin mo? NB, good spin. Oh, rebound ni James. Huli. NB, oy! Nakangiti. Ba't nakangiti ka kagad? Kinilig ka sa masa. Oy! Other side ball. Habol kayo, habol. Pito lang yan, pito. James. Tiny man! Tiny! Bubbles! 17-23. Ang cute ng pangalan eh, no? Tiny. Oy! Oy! Step through. Finish. Gets it. 25-17. Guzman, oy. Oy. No. Guzman to Tiny kay James. Gandang save nun. 19-25. Anin na lang. Oy. Kanya pa rin. 27-19. De Guzman, oy, kay James. James, nagmamadali. Ang tulid. Oy! Good, oh! Fading. Grabe si Ken, ah. Ken, anong ulam mo, Ken? Ikaw, ha? Oy! Tiny, oh. Kay James. Oh, fake. Huli ka! 29-19. NB, oy, inside, gets it. 31-19, last 1 minute and 10 seconds in the game. Kay De Guzman. No, tapikan. Last 1 minute in the game. And for 3. Gets it. 33-19. Last 45 seconds. De Guzman. 21-33. Labas kay James. Kay Heaven. Heaven to Eddie Boy. Yes, sir. 36-21. Last 20 seconds in the game. Huli again. Inside. Lalapasan again. 38-21. Ayos yan ha. Improving yan ha. Inside, 2 points, 23-38, last 3 seconds.